Garlic's healing magic. Garlic has been used for centuries to add flavor to dishes and to promote good health. It has been utilized as an herbal remedy for various conditions related to heart health and immune support. Garlic has a strong flavor and smell that adds complexity and flavor to various meals. Garlic is widely used in cooking to add flavor to dishes. It is also known for its numerous health benefits, particularly in promoting heart health and supporting the immune system. One of the most well-known health benefits of garlic is its ability to promote heart health. Garlic is widely known for its ability to aid in promoting heart health. Research has shown that garlic may help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Research has demonstrated that garlic can be beneficial in reducing blood pressure, lowering cholesterol, and potentially decreasing the risk of certain. Several studies have shown that eating garlic on a regular basis may help reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, which are vital components for having a healthy heart. Garlic is known to contain compounds such as allicin, which is responsible for its distinct smell and many of its health benefits. Garlic has a distinct smell and is known to contain several compounds, such as allicin, that can provide various health benefits. Allicin has been demonstrated to possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce swelling in the blood vessels and improve circulation. By decreasing oxidative stress and inflammation, one may lower the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries and reduce the risk of heart diseases. In addition to its heart-healthy properties, garlic is also a powerful immune booster. Garlic is not only beneficial for cardiac health, but also for boosting immunity. It has long been used as a natural remedy to prevent and treat illnesses due to its powerful properties that combat germs, viruses, and fungi. When crushed or chopped, a compound called alliin is released, which then turns into allicin. Allicin is thought to help boost the immune system and promote the creation of white blood cells, which are important for fighting off illnesses and diseases. Garlic's immune-boosting capabilities have been supported by scientific research. Scientific research has supported the capability of boosting the immune system. Studies have shown that certain components of garlic can improve the performance of immune cells, such as natural killer cells and macrophages, which are essential for defending the body against foreign agents. Garlic has been found to possess powerful antimicrobial properties, which have been proven to be effective against a range of strains, even those resistant to antibiotics. In addition to its direct effects on the immune system, garlic may also have indirect benefits. In addition to its effects on the immune system, garlic may also have indirect benefits. Chronic inflammation is known to impair the immune system and raise the likelihood of numerous illnesses. By decreasing inflammation, one can support the overall health of the immune system and improve its capacity to combat infections. Including garlic in your diet is relatively easy. Incorporating garlic into your meals is quite effortless. This food can be consumed in a variety of ways. It can be eaten fresh, cooked, or taken in supplement form. In order to maximize the health benefits, it is best to consume garlic in its raw or lightly cooked form, as some of its beneficial compounds may be destroyed by heat. If you find the flavor of fresh garlic too intense, you can try crushing or finely chopping it and letting it sit for around 10 minutes prior to use. Crushing or chopping garlic triggers a chemical reaction that releases a compound called allicin. This allows the enzymes to become active and create more allicin, enhancing its health benefits. While garlic is generally safe for most people, it may interact with certain medications, especially blood-thinning drugs and antiplatelet medications. Although it is usually safe, garlic may conflict with some medications, particularly those that thin the blood or act as platelet inhibitors. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement or incorporating a significant amount of garlic into your diet. In conclusion, garlic's healing magic extends beyond the kitchen. In conclusion, the healing power of garlic goes beyond just the kitchen. Its remarkable properties make it an ideal addition to promote heart health and support the immune system. Its remarkable properties make it a great option to support cardiovascular health and strengthen immunity. This ancient herb has been proven to have many beneficial properties, including reducing blood pressure, lowering cholesterol levels, boosting immune function, and protecting against illnesses. Including garlic in your daily diet may be a delicious way to enhance your health and well-being. Embrace garlic's natural healing powers and reap the rewards today. Taking advantage of this powerful herb can help improve your health and well-being.